By the end of this course, you'll have the skills to build modern responsive websites using just HTML and CSS. Together, we'll create something really exciting, a TikTok interface, while mastering the foundations of web development. My name is Lennox, and I'm so excited to take you on this journey where we'll learn the foundations of web development. This course is perfect for beginners. You don't need any prior experience, just curiosity and a willingness to learn. If you're excited to learn and create something amazing, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who might find it helpful. Let's start with the basics. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the backbone of every website. It structures content so browsers can display it. Think of HTML as the framework or skeleton of a website. It's what makes text, images, and links come alive on your screen. On the other hand, CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is what adds style and design to that structure, making your websites visually appealing and modern. Before we start coding, let's set up the tools you'll need. 1. Code editor. You'll need a place to write your HTML and CSS code. I recommend using Visual Studio Code. It's free, beginner-friendly, and packed with extensions to make coding easier. Head over to code.visualstudio.com and download the latest version for your operating system. 2. Web browser. You'll also need a browser to preview your web pages. I'll be using Google Chrome throughout this course, but feel free to use any modern browser like Firefox or Edge. 3. Extensions for VS Code. We'll install 2 essential extensions: Live Server, which allows us to preview changes in real time as we code; Prettier Code Formatter, which keeps your code clean and organized. Don't worry if this sounds new. I'll guide you step by step in the next lesson. Here's how we'll approach this course. First, we'll cover the basics of HTML, including its structure and essential tools. Next, we'll dive into individual HTML elements like headings, paragraphs, links, and more. Once you have mastered the basics, we'll introduce CSS to style and design your pages. Finally, we'll combine everything to build a TikTok interface, a project you can showcase with pride. In the next lesson, we'll dive into the structure of HTML and explore the elements that form the foundation of every website. Don't worry, I'll break everything down step by step so it's easy to follow. For now, make sure you've downloaded and installed VS Code and Google Chrome. Once you're ready, join me in the next lesson as we take our first real steps into web development. Let's bring your ideas to life with code. Thank you for joining me in this introduction to the complete HTML and CSS course. If you're excited about what's coming next, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who might benefit from it. Your support helps this channel grow, and I'd love to hear your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Let's get started on this amazing journey together. See you in the next video.